Click on the link below to get price. The Adams Pro Series Electric Pressure Washer 2.0 stands as a notable entry in the cleaning equipment market, specifically tailored for automotive detailing enthusiasts and professionals alike. This model is designed to deliver a high level of performance, combining both efficiency and convenience in a single package. At its core, the pressure washer boasts a robust 2000 psi motor, providing ample power to tackle a variety of outdoor cleaning tasks. From washing cars to cleaning patios, the versatility of this washer is apparent. Additionally, the unit operates on electricity rather than gas, making it a quieter option while also being more environmentally friendly. This design choice can appeal to those looking for a less disruptive cleaning experience, particularly in residential areas. One of the standout features of the Adams Pro Series electric pressure washer is its adjustable pressure settings. The ability to customize the pressure allows users to tailor the cleaning power to specific tasks, whether it be gentle washing for delicate surfaces or a more intense force for stubborn grime. This feature can be especially useful for car detailing, where different parts of the vehicle may require varying levels of intensity. The unit also comes equipped with a 25-foot high-pressure hose, which provides a generous range of movement and flexibility during use. This can significantly enhance the user experience by reducing the need to constantly reposition the unit itself. Furthermore, the inclusion of multiple nozzle attachments enhances its versatility, enabling users to switch between different spray patterns quickly and effortlessly. Using the Adams Pro Series pressure washer is straightforward. After connecting to a suitable power source and water supply, users can select their desired pressure setting, attach the appropriate nozzle, and begin cleaning. The lightweight design further contributes to its ease of use, allowing for extended periods of operation without significant fatigue. In summary, the Adams Pro Series Electric Pressure Washer 2.0 presents a compelling option for those seeking a powerful and flexible cleaning solution. With its notable features and thoughtful design, it caters to a variety of cleaning needs, making it suitable for both casual users and professionals alike. By understanding its capabilities and user-friendly operation, potential buyers can assess whether this pressure washer aligns with their specific cleaning requirements.